Hello traders, and welcome back to my channel. And I hope you all have been really profitable out there. Been a while since I dropped my last video, and I have to say Trump has really been messing so much things around, even the crypto space and the forex space, I may say. And also the recent shutdown which has been lifted has really damaged a lot of traders. And if you're not on the right side of the market, you will be liquidated because um, you will likely be losing funds. So if you're not in my channel, you're really missing a lot. So why don't you go ahead and click that notification button, subscribe, and also don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments, your thoughts on this particular video, which I'm going to actually start within a short period of time. So once again, welcome to my channel. So we're jumping into the video right now, and for this specific video, we are going to see what the market holds for us and what gold is likely going to do. And I'm going to use top down analysis straight from the top, and also I'm going to explain some key areas and what I will be expecting from gold. Okay, all right, so let's start. So first of all, let's head on to our daily time frame. I love using daily time frames, and yes, here we can see, because almost weekly we almost look the same, because gold is literally overbought. So gold has been buying because of the shutdown, and a lot of investors has recently gone out to in sake of safe haven. For those that know what safe haven actually means, and that has really pushed gold upwards. So here's a little secret anyway. Also, always check dollar index. If dollar is weak, all right, if dollar is weak, gold will be very strong, because gold is priced in dollars. Most assets in the whole world is priced in dollars. So if dollar comes down, people take that opportunity to use it to buy some good assets they will hold, and that is a lot of surge coming in demand. And we know what demand means. That's a push upwards. So, and whenever dollar gets its rises, a lot of people start selling their assets, to turn it back into cash and to make profit off of the asset that they bought when dollar was cheap. So that is just one thing to have at the back of your mind, that maybe due to some economic events, changes concerning the dollar index, that's the United States dollar. So if any economic eventually causes the dollar to weaken, just like the shutdown, which made a lot of investors so scared that they now have to rely on gold, because gold doesn't lose much value like that. It's a metal anyway. This is not a currency, it's a metal. So the value is very much strong. So now let's head into the analysis. That was a takeaway key value that I just dropped. So I believe it will help a lot of traders out there. So now we are on daily time frame, and we are currently looking at gold, and we can see that gold pushed up to this level of $4,378 per ounce, and then dropped to 4,000 3,000 sorry 884 ounce per dollar. So let's just highlight our range. So that is what we are currently trading inside of right now. All this place is not much of a concern for us right now, and we only look at this area if gold breaks below, and which we are going to confirm from this video if gold is going to break below, or is it still going to break above and continue the rally upwards. So now that we have identified our key range, our highest point the market made, and the lowest point the market currently made. So now let's drop down to 4 hours, and here on 4 hours we can see that gold started breaking structures downside, of the market. So let's name that. Okay, so now, and also we can see that uh, gold, after breaking two structures, one, two, it rallied upwards, and this structure remained unbroken, right? It remains unbroken, and then it made another high, the second high, but now a lower high, not a higher high. It made a lower high this time around, and if we trace this particular market movement, we can see that it's coming off from this breaker block section right here. So let's give this the right name, breaker block. And of course, it mitigated this breaker block, and now it started dropping down internally, started making lower lows. You can see that it's currently making about all the way before it was breaking structures to the upside on the retracement phase, right? And now that it has mitigated this breaker block, we can see a push downward, and also we have a very good institutional candles around here, like this candle when gold was pushing up. You can see the buyers were very good. The candles were so healthy and enticing. You have to jump in and follow the trend. So same thing is happening right now. You can see good enticing candlestick forming, and this is currently where we are now. So I know a lot of you guys must have many questions right now. So what else? Are we pushing upwards, or are we going to break down below? So now here is what I'm going to show you guys, because I am literally expecting gold to break downward. All right, I'm expecting this low to get violated. Great. Now here is my reason. After this breaker block has been mitigated, we can see that uh, gold shifted in character. Okay, so you can see that right here. You can see that right here, and it came back up. So let me just name that a change of character. On 1 hour, you can see this very visibly. I can see that even though I'm not on the 1 hour time frame. So maybe let me go to 1 hour time frame so that it may look much clearer to everyone watching this video. Now you can see that we have a change of character. So many traders call it change of intent, etc. and etc. And then we have a rally upwards on 4 hour. We can see a very good mitigation around this order block. So this is a very good mitigation, and currently I'm looking at selling gold off from this zone. I want gold to come up to a more premium, market price level. So this is where I'm expecting gold to hit. Then I can sell this off. And remember, tomorrow is an EFP, and the market holds a lot of goodies for traders, those that will cry and those that will make money. So just be safe out there. If you don't know how to trade the market during fundamental sessions, just stay out of it. All right, always remember that. You can also trade the after effect of the event. You can trade after the news if you also knows how to do that. So this is how gold has been reacting, and this is my view on the gold that everybody loves trading. So you can see that after the change of character, it started breaking structures low to the downside. So, and I'm hoping to see gold. This kind of an inducement for me, because it's literally nowhere. This kind of an inducement took this high. Great, this high has been taken, and now we're kind of in a void kind of area. I think a fair value gap around this area, although I'm not a fan of fair value gaps. I love using supply or order blocks, like supply and demands or order blocks. So this is my supply zone that I'm looking at to sell gold from. Maybe from next week, or if or eventually it comes into my zone anytime around. But I'm not hoping to sell from here right now. I think this is likely a fake out, guys. So if you're already on sell, be careful and make sure you manage your risk and your position very wisely. Okay, so I'm going to name this an inducement zone. Okay, this becomes an inducement zone for the retail traders out there, and we are hoping to see the market tap into our supply zone. Then we can then expect a sell-off. Maybe we can just put it here for then we are targeting this low, the daily range low. So that is it, guys. If you love and you find it much interesting, just like getting to know what God is going to do ahead of time, don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. And also, if you're already on this setup, then kudos, and don't forget to do your own analysis. Also, I'm only sharing my view, so this is not a financial advice to anyone. So this is my own view and what I feel and what I will do on this pair, particularly gold pair, from this week to next week. Whenever this market comes into my range, I'm going to be selling and I'm going to be shorting it from this range. So right now, that is all I have for the pair called gold. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.